Aloha guys, Scuba Chris here. Now, as you know, I just recently got this really nice Saltist 4500, a lot bigger reel than I thought. For 4500, this is big. I looked around and what I got is pretty much exactly like my 8000 reels for both Shimano and Okuma. So I thought, well, you know what? It's a nice handle here, but I want to make this out to a power knob. I've been having a nasty habit of converting power knobs here and there, especially on models that people said you couldn't do it. I did it anyway. So, what can I do? I mean, normally for lesser size models, you've been seeing me working with the 38 millimeter for Daiwa, and even though it says Daiwa, I use that for Shimano as well as Okuma. Now you also got a 41, but in this case, I think I'm gonna go with the 47. Now it doesn't, for some reason, it doesn't say 47 on the box. What you do is you gotta read the school code and see the numbers 47. That will tell you that's a 47 millimeter. So sometimes you see this, it looks like you can't get the knob off. Well, you can't get it off from the back because it's riveted in. So this here may throw you off, but that should just be a plastic cover. So I got a dental tool extractor. Let's see. Just dig it right in between the sides there. Boom, see that? So I just use my straight edge. Almost out. There you have the stem. Okay. Always keep the original hardware. So like I said, for this, I'll be using the 47. Now, I already took out the bag here. The bag, you don't see it because it'll be within that folded black piece of cardboard at the bottom, but it's there and I already took it out. Just twirl it. So the other combination didn't work, but this one I'm going to use the thin brass with a slightly larger chrome space on the top of it. That combination you can see here with the brass first smaller and the chrome on top. This one usually works. I don't know why it usually works. Got a washer in there with the screw. You don't want this to fit too tight because it's not going to spin. You want the cap to spin. So in the end product, this is what you want it to look like. You don't want this thing to wiggle back and forth, which is not. But if you have it in there too tight, it won't spin once you tighten it. So screw this back on. Yeah. So what do you think? Now this normally I use the 38s, which is this size, but this 4500 is bigger than the norm. So you could go with the 41, but this this has a good grip, especially when your hands are wet. This will work. So what do you guys think? Works for you? If it does, you know what to do. 47 millimeter Daiwa knob. It's just the black with the blue, same color as the reel. Whip the reefs here. Beautiful Gomexus knob. Think she'll fly? We'll see. Thank you. Okay, guys, on the bottom is the 38 millimeter accessory from Gomexus, the power handle for the Daiwa reel I just showed you. The top part is the stock handle of the Daiwa reel, and on it I just added on the 47 millimeter power knob. Quite a difference from the smaller one on the bottom, isn't it?